Welcome back to Gardening Vlog, your green corner for all things gardening. Today, I'm sharing top 5 houseplants that are not only beautiful but also super easy to grow. Like, share, subscribe. Let's go start. First on the list is the classic Pothos, also known as the money plant. It's one of the best indoor plants for beginners because it can survive in low light and even grow in water. This plant is not only beautiful with its green trailing vines, but it's also known to purify indoor air. If you want positivity and prosperity vibes, Pothos is a must-have in your home. Number 2 is the rose. Yes, you heard it right, roses aren't just outdoor beauties, you can also grow them in pots indoors with the right sunlight. Nothing beats the fragrance and charm of a blooming rose plant. It instantly adds a touch of romance and freshness to your balcony or window garden. Trust me, roses make your house look like a fairy tale. Number 3 is the Aloe Vera plant. This one is like a natural first aid kit sitting right in your home. From skincare to hair care, aloe vera gel is a blessing. And the best part? It requires very little water and care. So, if you want a plant that's both beautiful and useful, aloe vera should definitely be on your list. Next up is Syngonium, also called the arrowhead plant. With its unique leaf shapes and shades of green and pink, this plant is a real showstopper indoors. It's easy to grow, loves a little humidity, and also helps in reducing indoor toxins. Perfect for keeping on desks, shelves, or corners where you need a pop of greenery. Finally, we have the Euphorbia tithymaloides, also called devil's backbone. Don't get scared by the name. Cold sweat smile. This plant has a striking zigzag stem and vibrant green leaves that make it look truly unique. It's low maintenance, drought tolerant, and grows beautifully in bright light. This is the plant that will definitely grab attention from anyone visiting your home. So, those were my top 5 houseplants loved worldwide: Pothos, Rose, Syngonium, Aloe Vera, and Euphorbia. Which one do you already have at home? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know where you're watching from. Globe. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe.